Hey, I'm Charles with Speedway Motors, and today we'll be talking about our bear jaw door latches. These latches are a modern style bear claw latch that rotate and lock around a robust striker pin. These latches are compatible with both steel and fiberglass door shells and can be used for standard or suicide door installations. They work with shaved door handle systems, but there's no lock function built into the latch, so we recommend exterior door handles with a built-in lock if locking doors are required. Installing these latches will require a modification to the door and door jamb area of the body. Universal mounting plates and striker pin cage nuts are available to simplify the installation. A cable or rod will need to be connected to the release lever, which needs to be pulled to release the latch. These latches are available in standard, slimline, and mini to fit your desired application. In addition, each size is available in a kit, or the individual components are available separately as needed. I hope you learned a little bit more about our bear jaw door latches today, and thanks so much for watching.